Hey everybody, Nolan here. So a little bit early, but I have my Ontario Parks Christmas haul. Let's get into there. Ooh. Okay. So we have paper. Ooh. Anyways, we have these socks. They're Peace Collective Ontario Park socks for the turtles. So, alright, the camera died. So, yeah, Peace Collective socks. We'll get there, hold on. I wonder if this is how you're supposed to disconnect socks. I do have scissors here. So, like, I'm gonna spoil it for you. I like getting the turtle stuff that they have. Wow. Yeah, this haul of stuff I have, it's like all turtle stuff, like stuff related to the turtle program, and then they're pretty comfy. Honestly, they're comfier than the turtle socks I have. Yeah, it's all like turtle stuff and then crest basically. But next thing, the same collaboration, I guess, hat. Ooh, it's has an interesting smell, that's for sure. But put that on. Ooh, that's tight. Snug. Oh, there's the packing slip. Okay. Yeah, just thank you for donating to us. We'll do the crest last. So this is also Peace Collective. Right? Yeah, Peace Collective Ontario Parks. Holy shit. It's a mug. And let me tell you, they secured it. So this side, Ontario Parks Peace Collective. That hat is tight. I have to stretch it out. And then this side is Kill Bear. It's that tree that I've never seen, but apparently there's a tree there. Put that on display. I'll put the hat back. Okay, the next two are just normal, the turtle program. So this one is a water bottle. I'm gonna take the, I'm gonna try to take the little label thing off here. 12 hours cold, 8+ hours hot. I guess it's, I don't want to scratch it. Gets a brand new water bottle, scratches it within 10 seconds. Alright. Hold on. Nice. Didn't even leave any of that like glue residue. So it's got like a bamboo cap or something. It's good size. I don't know if that's on or not. It has a little turtle logo there. It has like the brand of whatever water bottle, Chili Moose there, and then Ontario Parks logo there. So that's a pretty cool one. And then I got this other one. Another water bottle. That's Ontario Parks Chili Moose. Cool orange color. So we got turtle, Chili Moose, Ontario Parks logo. And then we have a little bag of crests here. Okay, so let's see. First, we can get that out of the way now. First, Bon Echo. Haven't been there yet, but on my list. Next, Restool. Went there. Didn't go to the visitor center. The Massasauga. Been there. Pancake Bay. Haven't been there. Here, we'll have a haven't been there, have been there. So haven't been there on my list, just really far up there. Long Point. Been there. Kamoka. Been there. Clarny. Been there. Kawartha Highlands. That's a sick one. Been there. French River. been there, and I don't know if I actually grabbed one. Let me go. Be right back. So I already had a French River one. I wasn't sure if I got one, and I was ordering all this stuff, so I was like, might as well. Okay, so I have an extra French River one now. And Emily Provincial Park, which I've driven past many times, haven't actually been there yet. So that is my haul. I think that's everything there. Mug, hat, socks, water bottle, crest. Yeah, that's it for me. Bye-bye.